Going to do some scrambled eggs. Those coals have cooked down now nicely, cooked down. Just don't want to melt my hand on my pan. Get oil out of our pantry. Won't need much because it's a non-stick. Get our bacon in there first. One of the biggest things I see people do is trying to cook with flames and real hot coals. As I've said before, low and slow, you don't want to burn the shit out of the food when you're cooking it. Just let it do its thing. Take its time, it'll cook when it's ready. It's not too hot. And while that's sizzling away, just got some tomato and red onion diced up as well. And a bit of flavour. And as I've done last trip, your eggs, your milk, and your seasoning, some chives, pepper and salt, and a little bit of curry powder, all in the bottle, ready to go. Especially on the bike, you haven't got eggs broken in the esky. It's not takes up bugger all space. Just got to give it a good mix. Get all that flavouring off the floor, off the bottom of the bottle. Not the best fire layout for cooking with all these bloody rocks in the hole, but ideally I should have pulled the coals out on the bank here of the shovel, but it's doing its job. That's not too far off. Once that tomato sweat and onion sweats down a little bit. Rightio, I'm pretty happy with that. Those onions have gone opaque, clear, whatever you want to call. Tomatoes broken down. I'll grab our egg mixture. Straight in. So that's, I think that's 3 eggs I've put in there. That bottle could probably take 7 or 8, so it's important, especially once the eggs go in, you don't increase your heat anymore. That's been sizzling away there nicely for 5 minutes. It's about the same heat as I put in the pan when I'm home cooking as well, so it's turned out really well. Give that a good chance to cook the bottom of the egg, and then we'll start mixing it through and scrambling. I do have this nice big stone baked bread from Coles. It's a cheesy garlic bread one I was going to have it on, but it's got to be in an oven for 5 or 6 minutes to heat up and melt that cheese again, and I don't really want to just throw it on the fire. Plus I'm not really that hungry either. And I've had these rolls before as hamburger rolls, these stone baked ones from there, but they got the consistency of muffin dough almost, and my jaw was sore from from eating the last hamburger roll I used one as, just because they're so dense and so chewy. I ended up just taking the top off and having an open bun burger, so save that for next time. I might do a garlic bread. That might nearly fit in the hobo oven, so I might save that for, I'll save this for home, but I'll get another one for next time I've got the hobo oven out. Once it starts to go, it'll go pretty quick, especially when there's still that much heat in there. Normally at home I'll back the heat right off now, but I can easily do that here by taking it off the coals. Oh, of course I'm going to get ash in there. Coffee's still hot thanks to the insulated thermos cup. Obviously, because I'm trying to save the plastic handle, this handle end of the pan's the coldest, so just need to keep moving that around. As I said last night with the soup slash stew, 9 times out of 10 you cook something that doesn't look that appetizing, but that's going to be delicious. No cheese, damn it.